If you're ready on the front end, I promise you're going to get your wheels back faster on the back end. That's a difficult balancing act some days. I think the biggest challenge that we face is picking up and delivering wheels at service drives and body shops throughout a large metropolitan area. We try to schedule these things as efficiently as possible, but oftentimes we arrive and we don't have availability. Okay, and availability is basically we find out that the car, oh shoot, it just went into the paint booth, or it's out in the back lot someplace and I'm not sure if our technician removed the wheel yet or not. And if we have 3 to 5 of those, that really pushes our scheduling back a lot. It may only be 20 minutes to them, but it becomes an hour and a half to 3 hours a day for our pickup and delivery drivers. Let's say we had our route set up so that the guy left at 9 o'clock in the morning. We expected him to be back at 1 o'clock. If that driver is held up by 3 hours, instead of getting back at 1, he is now sitting in traffic at 4 o'clock, and we won't get even started on those wheels until the following day. So let's say it was a Monday. He gets back to the shop now at 5 o'clock, and rather than us getting to those wheels on Monday, we won't get started on them until Tuesday. I won't get those wheels back till now Wednesday night or maybe Thursday morning, whereas if they were back on time Monday when they could have been, and we got them into the process, they probably would have been back Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. It can cost an entire day for that 20 minutes that, or half an hour that it took a body shop to realize, oh, those guys are here to pick up the wheels, and you know, our tech hasn't pulled that wheel off the vehicle yet. Our goal is to provide a quality product in a timely manner, help reduce cycle times for our body shops. In order to do that, our new term is going to be called Repair Ready. What we would really like to see is wheels that are ready to go. Okay, so for the wheelhouse side, Repair Ready means that you made the phone call, you've called us and said, hey, we have a wheel that we need to have repaired. When we arrive, what we would hope to have is that wheel dismounted from the vehicle, sitting in a central location that you deem in your shop. That's our wheel pickup and drop-off point. I would also say that if there's a tire that needs to be replaced on that particular tire, are we going to be throwing away the old tire? Do you need it back? And then is the new tire sitting there with the job as it's ready to go? We will remount and balance every wheel and tire combo that we get in here. And if you're going to replace that tire, we might as well do the replacement for you. Paperwork, PO, RO, some shop information on that thing so that our driver can just kind of zip in. He knows that this is the wheel that we're going to be doing. We can pick it up, get it loaded up, and we can get out of there and get the wheel back to our shop and into the system as efficiently as possible. The slight difference is that there's going to be on the wheel craft side, our technicians will dismount the tire from the vehicle as long as the vehicle's outside of your shop. So if the vehicle's inside your shop, we really need to have that wheel off the car and ready to go. If the car's out in the parking lot and it's accessible, then we'll gladly go ahead and take the wheel off the vehicle. And we do have some shops that have a couple of different locations. When we're calling the job in, best to know which location we're going to be going to take care of that repair. If we arrive at the lot and it turns out that you've got, let's say, 4 wheels, we have 3 different cars that we're going to be doing today, but one of them is at a remote location, we'd really like to have those wheels all in one location. It just makes it more efficient for the guys in the trucks. And honestly, in most cases, it's more efficient for the shop as well. Repair Ready is just going to help everybody down the line. If that wheel's ready to go for us to pick up, we can get it through the shop more quickly, we can get it back to you looking great in an efficient time manner, then we're all going to be winners. The insurance company is going to be happy, the body shop's going to be happy, the car owner is going to be happy. What we're really asking is let's work together. You help us, help you get these wheels back as quickly as possible. If you're ready to go on the front end, we'll do our best to get things done on the back end.